Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Motorola Edge Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and click on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. Then select wherever you want to in the pop-up and tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Hit Send next to selected, select Got it and pick one of those connection ways. You can input this key here and tap on Receive, or scan the QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing a node, allowing camera access and pointing your Motorola at the code. Now wait! As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!